Poverty is a widespread and persistent issue that affects millions of people around the world. Despite efforts to reduce poverty rates, many individuals and families continue to struggle with financial instability, limited access to resources, and a lack of opportunities for economic mobility. The causes of poverty are complex and multifaceted, including systemic barriers such as income inequality, discrimination, and limited access to education and job opportunities. However, there are also personal factors that can contribute to poverty, such as financial mismanagement, debt, and a lack of financial literacy. For individuals who are experiencing poverty or struggling to make ends meet, the prospect of never being poor again can seem like an impossible dream. However, there are practical steps that individuals can take to improve their financial situation and build a strong foundation for long-term financial stability. In this video, we will explore the steps that you can take to never be poor again. While there is no magic formula for achieving financial success, taking these steps can help you to create a more secure and stable financial future. Whether you are currently experiencing poverty or simply want to improve your financial situation, this video will provide you with valuable insights and practical strategies for taking control of your finances and building a brighter future. Step 1. Create a budget. The first step towards financial stability is to create a budget. A budget is a plan that helps you manage your money and track your expenses. It allows you to see where your money is going and helps you identify areas where you can cut back. To create a budget, you need to make a list of all your expenses and income. Then, allocate your income to cover your expenses, making sure to leave some money for savings. Creating a budget is crucial because it helps you understand your current financial situation. You can identify where your money is going and determine whether you're living within your means. If you're spending more than you're earning, you can adjust your expenses to avoid accumulating debt. To create a budget, you can use a simple spreadsheet or a budgeting app. Some popular budgeting apps include Mint, YNAB, and Personal Capital. These apps can connect to your bank accounts and credit cards, making it easy to track your expenses and income. Step 2. Save money. Saving money is an essential step towards financial stability. By saving money, you create a safety net for yourself and your family. You can start by setting aside a portion of your income each month and depositing it into a savings account. You can also save money by cutting back on expenses like eating out or buying unnecessary items. One common rule of thumb is to save at least 20% of your income. This can be challenging if you're living paycheck to paycheck, but even a small amount can add up over time. If you're having trouble saving money, you can try setting up automatic transfers to your savings account. This way, a portion of your income will be automatically saved each month, without you having to think about it. Another way to save money is to cut back on expenses. This can be as simple as bringing your lunch to work instead of eating out or canceling subscriptions that you're not using. By reducing your expenses, you can free up more money to save or invest. Step 3. Invest your money. Investing your money is an effective way to build wealth over time. There are many investment options available, including stocks, bonds, and real estate. It's important to do your research and choose investments that match your risk tolerance and financial goals. One common investment strategy is to diversify your portfolio. This means investing in a mix of different assets to reduce your risk. For example, you can invest in a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate to spread out your risk. You can also consider investing in low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, to achieve broad market exposure. When investing, it's important to have a long-term perspective. Don't get caught up in short-term market fluctuations or try to time the market. Instead, focus on your financial goals and invest for the long term. Step 4. Build multiple streams of income. Building multiple streams of income is another way to achieve financial stability. You can do this by starting a side hustle, investing in rental properties, or creating passive income streams. Having multiple sources of income can help you weather financial setbacks and provide you with the means to achieve your financial goals. Starting a side hustle can be a great way to earn extra income. You can turn your hobbies or skills into a business and sell your products or services online. You can also consider freelancing or consulting in your area of expertise. Investing in rental properties can also provide you with a steady source of income. However, this requires a significant upfront investment and can be challenging to manage if you're not familiar with real estate investing. Creating passive income streams is another way to earn money without actively working. This can be achieved by investing in dividend-paying stocks, creating an online course or digital product, or investing in real estate crowdfunding. By building multiple streams of income, you're not only diversifying your income sources but also increasing your earning potential. This can help you achieve your financial goals faster and provide you with more financial security. Step 5. Educate yourself. Educating yourself about personal finance is crucial to achieving financial stability. By understanding financial concepts and strategies, you can make informed decisions about your money and avoid common financial mistakes. There are many resources available to help you educate yourself about personal finance. You can read books, attend workshops or webinars, or watch educational videos on YouTube. Some popular personal finance books include The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley and William Danko, The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason, and The Simple Path to Wealth by J. L. Collins. Attending workshops or webinars can also provide you with valuable insights and strategies for managing your money. You can search online for free or low-cost financial workshops in your area or attend webinars hosted by financial experts. Watching educational videos on YouTube can also be a great way to learn about personal finance. There are many YouTube channels dedicated to personal finance. Step 6. Surround yourself with positive influences. Surrounding yourself with positive influences can help you stay motivated and focused on your financial goals. You can join a financial support group, attend networking events, or connect with like-minded individuals on social media. Joining a financial support group can provide you with a community of people who are also working towards financial stability. You can share your experiences and learn from others' successes and failures. You can search online for financial support groups in your area or join online communities on Facebook or Reddit. Attending networking events can also help you connect with people who can provide you with valuable insights and opportunities. You can attend networking events hosted by professional organizations or industry groups. You can also join online communities on LinkedIn or Twitter to connect with like-minded professionals. Finally, connecting with like-minded individuals on social media can also provide you with a community of people who share your financial goals. You can follow personal finance influencers or join Facebook groups dedicated to personal finance. If you're serious about improving your financial situation, we encourage you to take action today. Start by creating a budget and setting financial goals. Then, educate yourself about personal finance and seek out opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals. Remember, achieving financial stability is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, discipline, and perseverance. But with the right mindset and strategies, you can take control of your finances and build the life you've always dreamed of. And if you want to continue learning about personal finance and building wealth, we encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Financial Literacy. We provide weekly videos on personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. Thanks for watching.